Hey, y'all, I'm lucky enough to have Joseph back in the kitchen with me. And he did a prior video with me that was like Halloween-ish.
It was,
Be a great dish for the Halloween table.
It would.
But today, on this show, he is jumping to Thanksgiving. And I love it. You started to tell a story about your grandma.
Yes.
Your grandma made
this. Is my grandmother's recipe. Her name was Essie. And
Essie, I love
Grandma
that.
Essie is what she was affectionately known as. And for me, I would call her Gaggy, but yeah, because I couldn't say grandma.
I'm taking my balance of nature.
Oh, you're good. That's good. I mean, vitamins are important. So, so yes, this recipe is from her. She would make this for not just holidays, but it's a quick go-to side dish, vegetable side dish that you can make for, you know, if you were making a meatloaf, or it would go great with turkey, roast chicken, anything, really anything. It's super fast. Pork. Oh gosh, it'd be a delicious with pork. And so basically, this is an orange glazed carrot that she would make. And what we have done, and because it's just us, we've downgraded the recipe a little bit so that we don't cook a mountain of it.
Yeah, so you're half in the recipe.
Yes, we're half in the recipe a little bit. And what I'm doing is just she would take her carrot and she would slice it on a diagonal like this.
Yes. Is that the bias?
The bias, yeah. I think that's what they say.
It makes things look pretty.
Yep, it does.
The full recipe, following this video, the full recipe
will have the accurate measurements. And so
you too can cut it in half if you think it's too
correct,
much.
Yeah. I mean, this is perfect for a family of, if it's just you and your spouse, or if you wanted to make it for your family of 4 or something like that, just add a couple more carrots. Yeah. And so she would put
your pan
yes,
hot.
ma'am. You would love this because she would put a lot of butter. A lot.
How long have you been without your grandmother?
She passed, I think 4 years ago. Yeah, she lived a long time. Yes. Oh, yes. She was 96, I think.
That's what my Aunt Peggy, I'm a caregiver.
Yeah, I know. Yes. Yep. She was 96. Yeah, and I saw your video that it was Aunt Peggy's birthday. How sweet.
Yes.
Yep. But my grandmother, I always say she was my culinary inspiration. She would bring me in at night. She had a catering business later on in life. And she would, I remember one night I woke up and I ran into the kitchen to see what she was doing. This literally was like 1 or 2 in the morning, and she was in there cooking. And she asked me to come in and help her cook. And I always say that's where my culinary curiosity was birthed.
How old were you?
Oh gosh, maybe 8, 9 years old, and I haven't.
So you have some wonderful memories.
Oh, excellent memories.
Let me tell you, some of the best memories that you will ever collect in your mind takes place in a kitchen or around a dining room table.
Absolutely, it does. There's nothing like it. Nothing in the world like it.
Heat up a little bit.
That's good. So what we want to do is just melt the butter.
Okay.
She would just put everything in. So you don't even need to melt it all the way down.
No.
So this is a stick of butter, so it's a little bit more than probably what's needed for this recipe, but
that's all right.
So
if you got it, use it.
That's right. And then what we will do also is, this was so unique, she would take an orange and just zest a little bit. Well, she actually wouldn't do the zesting. I did that. That's my culinary-ness coming out. And so she would just take an orange,
and the
actually.
Zest kicks the flavor up.
It does.
Incredibly.
It really, really does. She would just take an orange, seeds and all. If you don't want to have the seed, just put it over a strainer. But I remember she would just do this. She would take it, and then she would take the orange and drop it in. So that the natural juices, she was amazing. The natural oils that are in the orange get infused into the carrots.
Yes.
And so we're going to turn this up a little bit more.
Okay, there you go.
Okay, and then what she would do also is she would take honey and pour it on top of the carrots to make a glaze.
Wow, yes. Would you like a little spatula to
Sure,
get all
yes.
that honey out?
That's Miss Paula's efficientness.
And listen, when I'm doing things like that, I like to spray it.
Oh, that's a good idea, so that it just come right out.
You get every drop of it.
See, you learn something every day. I love that. Yep. And so we're just going to put that in there.
Okay.
And
I love carrots like this. I'm not real crazy about raw carrots.
Yeah.
Like this, I just love them like candied.
So, and I always use salted butter.
Me
so
too.
I only
Me
just,
too. Even for my cakes.
I don't know what, anyway, I think it's just the thing that they teach you in school.
Yeah, but I like sweet and salty.
Me too. So I would recommend using salted butter and then just putting a little bit of salt on top. And then also a little bit of pepper. If you have fresh ground pepper, you can do that too as well. And then once it finishes stewing down for a few minutes, basically you're just literally cooking this until the carrots become tender and soft. So maybe about 10 minutes. You can put a top or lid on it. I know my grandmother used to do that.
Yes, yes.
Smell.
Yes. And that's that butter and that honey is going to get sticky.
It will.
On those carrots.
It will. Cook down and reduce, and you'll get the pungent flavor of that orange and the beautiful honey.
Fabulous with a piece of broiled fish.
It would. Oh, it would be. Yes, yes. It's not necessarily the healthiest, but it's good.
God made the cow. The cow
did.
made the butter.
Yes, ma'am. It sounds healthy to me.
Stay away from the other.
I've never heard that before.
That's because I made it up.
I love it. So yeah, we're just gonna let this reduce for a few minutes, and then we'll come back and show you guys the finished product.
Okay, great.
Okay, so now we're just going to take some fresh parsley, and we're going to add this into our carrots that are now softened. Literally takes maybe 10, 15 minutes. It does not take long. And
I'm cheating.
You are? Okay, great. Cheating's okay, especially when it comes to eating. And you can, if you want, you can.
That honey is so good.
Look how beautiful it, and this looks just like how my grandma did it. It just created a beautiful syrup, basically, that has been reduced. Then you just take some fresh parsley, add it to it. You could also add fresh thyme. That would be really good too as well.
Yeah, just whatever herbs.
Whatever herbs you think would be good. Yeah, and so we're just gonna plate a couple.
Yes, yes.
I think that'd be beautiful.
Took me a little piece about like that.
I love it.
Hot.
Oh, I can bet.
I like my carrots kind of soft.
Soft, yeah.
So I
Me
took
too.
a little one.
Yeah, this is beautiful. This actually would be really good with a roast pork too.
I
think that would be great. Roast pork, mashed potatoes.
Are you gonna eat all those?
Oh no, I'm just putting it right here.
All right.
It's hot, but
It is hot. Bon appetit.
I already ate it, but I'll do it again.
Me too. So good.
Definitely try it.
If we could get our children to eat these, it would be a beautiful thing.
I think that's why my grandma made it, because she knew we'd eat it.
Yes. You know, children, I said, get your grandkids or your children in the kitchen early, because they're more apt to eat something, to try something new if they've helped prepare it.
It's true.
You know?
Yep. And children get so excited when they have an opportunity to cook. They really do. They love it.
Well, loving best dishes, y'all.
Bye. Happy Thanksgiving.
Put this one on your Thanksgiving menu.
You'll love it.
Or tomorrow night if you're having fish. Or pork.
I love it.
Or beef or chicken.
Yep.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.